Welcome to Rolling Hills Ranch, one of Chula Vista's most sought-after communities, known for its beautiful surroundings and no Mello Roos. Tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac, this exceptional home sits on an oversized 12,964 square foot lot, just under a third of an acre, offering privacy, space, and a true resort-style setting. Inside, you will find 2,793 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space with 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. 1 bedroom and a full bathroom on the main level make this layout ideal for guests or multi-generational living. The open concept floor plan creates seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen spaces, enhanced by luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout the main level for a warm, modern feel. But what truly sets this home apart is the backyard. This custom-designed pool is the centerpiece of your own private retreat. Enjoy the gradual, beach-style entry, perfect for lounging or easy access. Natural stone detailing, built-in water features, and a slide seamlessly integrated into the landscape banks create a setting that feels like a private resort. The elevated spa overlooks the pool, while multiple sitting areas and a built-in BBQ island make this the perfect space for entertaining or relaxing year-round. Professionally landscaped and low maintenance, the expansive lot offers both beauty and functionality. Additional highlights include fully paid solar, an attached 3-car garage, and convenient access to freeways, shopping, dining, schools, parks, and scenic walking and hiking trails. This is a rare opportunity to own a home that truly combines space, comfort, and resort-style living in Rolling Hills Ranch.